Jammers, and welcome to another video. It's girl with two eyes, me sister, and today it's going to be a Mailtime video. So let's get started.
Yay! Who's that girl?
This person.
Oh,
This person.
Boozy?
Oopsie. I don't know. Boogeyman.
What kind of name is that? Actually, that's kind of cool. Boozy.
Boogsy girl. Thank you. No dirt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Yay. Thank you. I'm so happy.
Oh my god, my hair.
Okay, sorry about that. Thank you. I love Epic Plushies so much. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I love Epic Plushies. Thank you. Here. Thank you. I love Fluffy Bunnies. 223. I'm gonna send you. Shout out to her because she has given me a rare spiked wristband in my mail. I didn't want to save it for mail time because I sent her my blue short wristband, and yeah, she was like, thank you. But thank you. Tell her, spam her with gifts, guys. Spam her with gifts. Gifts, oh right. Gifts. That was random. There's two for last one, so I guess I'll just save that one for last. That what we just saw. Thank you, AKD named Steel. Boots. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I shall give you something back. I'm sorry there's not a lot of gifts in this one. You can have a beta monkey statue. Oh, holy crap. Okay. Make it good because this is very good. Yeah, that's okay. That's not that good. Again. Oh my gosh, thank you. I wish I could like take pictures of good. Wait, what the heck? Why is it on all of those? Holy crap, thank you. Why am I getting spammed with gifts? Thank you for the teacup. I want some dead items, lol. Okay, I'll give you some dead items. Okay. I don't have very good dead items. I guess I perhaps can give. Wait, I have 2 gingerbread cherry houses. You can have one. It's special. It's really special. I have another one, so take good care of it, my little baby. My little baby, take care of my little baby. Yes, take care. Something back. Sure. Okay, have a teacup we just got. Booyah. Thank you. No problem. Really, thank you. Yay, another one added to my collection. LOL. Thank you. Woo! Oh yeah, I got this. Oh yeah. Holy crap. 3 Halloween items in a row. I will take this. 4 Halloween. Even though I already have that, but thank you. It's by 2. It's by 2. Hello. Thank you. I have that. I'll just give you that. I'll just give you. Holy cow, now I have more Epic Plushies. Thank you so much, Boogsy777777777. Alright, whatever. Okay, that is such an... Please don't tell me my inventory is full. One more. Oh, holy crap. LOL, hello is good on my head, LOL. Holy crockamole. Thank you. I hope you like it. You can open for last. I guess I'll just save it for second for last. Snowball. Thank you for the turkey hat, Snowball. Alright. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the round glasses. Those are really bad. Okay. Every gift is good. Okay, which gift do I open for last? There's 2. Ow, ow. Okay, you know what? Whatever. We got to do the second one last. Oh yeah, I have to do the second one last. So, okay, I just close my eyes. Closing my eyes and open them in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. I just got that in an adventure earlier, but I didn't. I just sent it through a person. Okay, do I close my eyes? Oops. Okay. Closing them and opening them in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, a Rhino helmet. My sister's over here making really ugly faces. She thinks these are bad items, but she doesn't know Animal Jam. Don't judge.
A Rhino helmet is stupid.
No, it's not.
Who would want to wear that?
Me.
That's ugly. You're a girl, not a rhino.
Well, tell Animal Jam that. You put it on my Rhino. But okay.
Maybe that's why it's a rhino helmet. Because it looks good on them.
Yeah. That's what I put. This is the only animal I'm putting it on. That looks funny. Okay, what? Okay, I'll just make my look after. Okay, that looks like a lion. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this Mailtime video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Wait, let me tell her to say bye. Bye. Say bye. Look at it. Bye. Okay, bye.